Hello, besties. So, if you want to learn how to paint your dress or your outfits, not just painting an outfit or a dress that you cannot wear outside, but an outfit or painting on a dress that you can wear outside, this video is for you. This is a beginner friendly video. I took my time and explained some things, and I started from the beginning so that you can follow along and learn how to do this. You don't have to be a professional, you don't have to be an artist. All you need to do is just follow what I'm doing. I also brought up so other simple tools or simple things you can do in order to achieve all these things. So if you want your outfit to be like this, continue watching this video. So to begin the painting process, first of all, I have to create a pattern. And while you can use your cardboard paper, what I use is printed paper. I put it together, glued it in order to form a long paper. Then I brought my outfit I want to paint. I placed it there and I carved it. So make sure you follow the carving of your outfit. This is just for us to paint, draw first of all on a pattern that looks like our dress. It's more like we're drawing on our dress, but because you are not a professional, you don't have to start doing that on your dress. So you mark the chest line, the waistline, the curve, do everything, then start cutting it. Cut according to the curve of your clothes. So this is more like the dress. This is more like my dress now. If I'm not doing this tutorial, I would have started painting and drawing on my outfit. But because it's a tutorial for people that don't know how to draw to learn, this is more like my dress. So this white paper now is my dress. So the outfit you want to paint, draw it out, then cut it. Then I went to Pinterest, I downloaded the type of flowers I want. So go on Pinterest, check, look for flowers and designs you like. I printed it out. So after printing it out, I can start drawing. But at the particular day I'm doing this video, I didn't have the time to start drawing. So what I did was to bring an alternative. And this alternative is a light board. This is a board where a light a lead bright pad that helps you trace immediately. In 5 minutes, you'll be done. So just in case you don't know how to draw, will be something very important you can always use. All you need to do is just to put it, place your paper, increase the brightness of the board, then trace it out. So this will really help you. So this is what I do, and all I need to do is just to increase the brightness, place my printed flowers pattern under, and place this pattern I created on top. Place it in the way you want it to be on the real dress. Then after that, I started drawing out a stem. Flowers have stem. And this particular flower I printed out, there is no stem. So I had to start drawing my stem. So I had to think of way to place it. You know, stems are not always straight. It has to be angled. So I also had to, I went on Pinterest to check the angle I wanted to be on. So just to go on Pinterest, check how the angle you want, then place it. Then place that your flower. Let it align very well with your stem. Let it be like they are connected together. Align the flowers you want to trace to the stem of the flower you trace so that everything will be the same. Then you start tracing. So this is how you trace. You trace in less than 5 minutes. If you're fast, you'll be done with the tracing. So this was what I did. You have to trace, make sure you trace out everything the way you want it. And after tracing, you remove the paper and you have the perfect drawing. It looks exactly like as if you printed it out. So this is the after the tracing process, this is what it's looking like. It was as if I did the drawing. So I placed the second flower I printed out. Align it. Always try as much as possible to align it with the stem you drew so that it will not be disconnected, so that it will not be like you're painting two different flowers together. Align it so that it will be like they are coming from one stem. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So Before we continue, I would love you to subscribe. Just ask yourself this question: have you learned anything at all from this video? If yes, please do well to subscribe. It really helped me. Thank you. This is it. So this is me trying to make sure that everything is in place, cleaning and correcting, making sure that it looks like, although there are two different flowers, but let it look like as if it's coming from one stem. So this is the final outlook. This is the way I want it to be on my dress because this is the way my outfit is. So this is the way I want my outfit to be. This is where I want the flower to be. So first of all, we'll now go over to creating a sample. I had to do another tracing of just a very simple flower because now I want to test my paint and I also want to test it on a stretchy fabric because my main dress is a stretchy fabric. So all I need to do was to carve out the flower, place it on this top because this top I'm no longer going to use it. This use my tracing pen. This is a pen. It comes in different colors. It's once you finish using it, once you iron it, it goes away. So all I had to do is trace out everything because I'm trying to test how it's going to be, what is going to happen, how it's going to look. So this is not the main thing. Don't get it twisted. This is not the main thing. This is just a sample. Let me know how my paint is going to be. So it's rough. This is not the main thing because looking at it, this was not what I drew on my dress. This is me just creating a sample to see how the paint is going to be, techniques I need to use. I didn't really do anything special. I just did the drawing, carved it out, painted it. And now in the next video, we're going to jump into the main thing. That is the painting process. And I'm going to explain everything. So see you guys in my next video. And bye.